Hi guys, good morning. So, welcome back to my channel. This is me again. Okay. So today po, I'm going to share about the organic or the herbal way of treating or curing your cough. Okay, para po sa mga ubo. Aside from ubo, meron din po, pwede rin po siya sa asthma and then sa yung tinatawag na bronchitis. Okay, so those are the major, kumbaga, major na mga thing na pwede niyang magamot or pwede niyang i-treat. Okay, so what we have right now is an oregano leaves. Okay, so in Bisaya, tinatawag po ito na kalabo. Okay, you can easily find this one, and also if you don't have it, you can plant it. Pwede niyo po siyang itanim. Medyo madali lang po siyang tumubo, so you don't have to worry. All you have to do is alagaan lang po siyang mabuti. So I have here a bowl of an oregano leaves. Okay, these are my oregano leaves. Well, actually, kinuha ko ito doon sa garden ng auntie ko. So basically, hindi niya alam na kumuha ko doon. Okay, ito po siya. Aside from using this one as a medicinal plant, it can also be used as a vegetable. So some like other countries use it in their food. So yeah, iyon. And aside from those mga sakit na na-mention ko, pero basically more on phlegm kasi siya, so for cough, asthma, and then for bronchitis. And also, I do some research, and pwede rin siya treatment for the urinary tract infection, which is yung may mga UTIs. And aside from that one, pwede rin siya dun sa mga arthritis. So, pwede po yun kung meron po kayong mga arthritis. So, you can use this one. And also, ano pa ba? Another one, I'm not pretty sure regarding this one, but I read it that it can also regulate high blood pressure. So, pwede rin po ito inumin nung mga matataas yung BP. So, all you have to do is, meron po kasing traditional way, ang prepare po nito is like, kailangan lang po ng 3 or 5 dahon. So, yun po, pakulo po kayo ng water, and then lagay nyo po ng 3 or 5 dahon doon. And then, 15 minutes. Yeah, and a maximum of 15 minutes na pakuluan nyo siya doon. Or else, pwede nyo po siyang like, ilagay doon sa cover ng niluluto nyo. Like for example, nagluluto kayo ng rice, so you can put it on the cover. So, pwede siyang ma-moisturize doon on top. Okay? So, siguraduhin hugasan ng mabuti. And then, if ever you don't want to put it on the top of the cover of the rice na niluluto nyo, so, excuse me, you can put it inside. Okay? So, like for example, meron kayong nilulutong rice and then okay na siya, pwede nyo siyang ilagay doon sa taas, sa toppings. Okay, so if ever na moisturize na siya, so you can get it, and right after pagkatapos yung kunin, so all you have to do is to squeeze nyo siya mabuti, din gamit ng, if you have a mortar and pestle, you can do it, mas mabuti yun. So extract nyo yung juice niya, so by that way, makukuha nyo yung fineness ng juice niya. So, yun po yung direct na inumin nyo. Pwede po ito sa mga bata. I remember when I was a child, so ito rin pinapainom ng parents namin. Aside from this one, meron din silang pinapainom like yung parang tinatawag na lampunaya, but I'm not pretty sure if what kind of leaves is that. Okay, so yeah, all you have to do is to squeeze so you can get the juice of this one. But basically regarding dun sa first step na sinabi ko, yung you have to boil water and then put at least 3 or 5 leaves on it. So 15 minutes yun gagawin. Okay, maximum 15 minutes. So right after then, kukunin nyo, of course, make sure na tawag nito, make sure na umabot siya ng 15, okay? So, it is a good treatment for those na na-mention ko kanina. Ubo, asthma, bronchitis, arthritis, urinary tract infections. I believe, according to my research as well, it is meron siya mga, chemicals which can fight those bacteria and also some of the viruses inside our body. And aside from those, in addition, it can also be a treatment for the, ano tawag nito? Yung gastrointestinal. So, pag meron po kayong something mapipil dun sa gastrointestinal, pag meron po kayong sakit na gastrointestinal, so you can use it as well. But actually, kanina, meron na akong ginawa, nagpa-boil na ako ng water, and also, I put like 5 leaves on the on my boiled water. So, I have already a result of it right now. So, this one. So, nilagay ko dito na bowl. Ito na po yung finished product ko. Ito po yung kulay niya. So, very po siya, napaka parang ang yellow niya. But actually, it's napaka-fine naman ang result niya. For 15 minutes ko po itong pinoiled. So, basically, ito na po yung iinumin ko. Pwede niyo po siyang iinumin like after gawin niyo pong water. But the advice is like every after 4 hours. Okay? So you can drink it every after 4 hours. If I'm not really wrong. But for me, kasi every night and morning ko to iniinom. Or every meal, pwede iniinom ko siya sa evening bago matulog or right after kumain sa breakfast and also sa lunch. So, if you have time, so you can try this one. It's pure organic. So, yun. Pwede niyo po siya, madali lang po siyang gawin. Ito na po kasi siya. Sasalain ko pa po to after just to make sure na wala rin mga particles na galing dun sa leaves na maiinom ko. So, sasalain ko po siya. You can use a fine cloth pag sinala niyo siya para masigurado natin wala po talaga mahalo dun sa iinumin natin. Okay? And yeah, I think that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!